From divine Sister of the Light Chalea, channel and mystic, a much deeper split is happening. The Arcturians. Greetings, we are the Arcturians. It is always wonderful to connect with all of you who will be listening to this transmission. You have entered through the threshold of heightened awareness, where a significant and transformative period that holds immense potential for personal and collective evolution is taking place. This is a time of great change and a powerful period of transformation that offers opportunities for growth, healing, and enlightenment. It is a time when the energies of the universe align to support those who are ready to embrace a new way of being. However, it is essential to recognize that not everyone is experiencing this beauty and light. Many individuals remain entrenched in outdated paradigms, still grappling with the limitations of 3D mindsets. These mindsets are characterized by fear, separation, and materialism, which can hinder one's ability to perceive the profound shifts occurring around them. As the vibrational frequencies of the earth rise, the split in human consciousness is expanding. You may witness this phenomenon manifesting as starkly different or even opposite viewpoints among people regarding the events unfolding in your reality. This divergence in perspective is not merely a reflection of personal beliefs, but signifies a deeper rift in your collective consciousness. The split in your perspective will inevitably lead humanity down two very different paths. One path is illuminated by higher awareness, compassion, and unity, guiding the collective toward a harmonious existence where love and understanding prevail. In contrast, the other path descends into more suffering and turmoil, as individuals continue to play out the illusions of war, chaos, and division. This duality presents a critical juncture for many, as they stand at this crossroad, still clinging to the old ways of thinking and being. The fear and worry that arise from the chaos of the world indicate a lingering attachment to these outdated beliefs. When you allow worry or fear about your surroundings to dominate your thoughts, you inadvertently hold on to negative energies that can be detrimental to your well-being and spiritual growth. This is precisely what those who wish to control you thrive upon. They anticipate your fear, using it as a source of sustenance that enables them to perpetuate their agenda of chaos and division. Once you find yourself ensnared in fear, you lose the reins of your own life, surrendering control over your thoughts, emotions, and actions to external forces that seek to manipulate you. In these tumultuous times, stepping out of fear is of utmost importance. The dark controllers are acutely aware of the transformative energies at play in the ascension of Earth, and they exploit fear-based propaganda to maintain their grip on power. By consciously choosing to disengage from narratives that promote fear and conflict, you can begin to release those lower vibrational energies that bind you. If fear lingers in your mind and heart, it is crucial to take extra time for self-care and grounding practices such as meditation and focused breathing. Take moments to calm yourself and seek reassurance in the knowledge that you are protected and surrounded by the light of the infinite Creator. This divine presence serves as a shield against negativity and is a source of strength. By nurturing your connection to this light, you can cultivate a sense of peace and empowerment that transcends the chaos of your external world. Embrace this journey of transformation and allow yourself to be guided toward a brighter, more unified future where love and understanding reign supreme. We are here with you, serving humanity in love and light. We are the Arcturians from UniversalLighthouse.com.